The Year 8 retreat today, we're focusing on the theme of healthy relationships. Clearly, in our Catholic tradition, healthy relationships stem from this belief and the teaching of human dignity, that each person is made in the image of God, and therefore that's the way that we should receive one another and treat one another, is with that sense of dignity.
We had a very lovely talk with a man named Scott Darlow, and he was making us more socially aware of the Aboriginal culture and history.
Today we've been here at John 23rd talking to kids about Australian history, the effects of colonisation in regard to First Nations people as well, and just really encouraging them to understand that there's always a reason for everything that we see on this planet. So, you know, when we look around, it's important to look for what those reasons are and be educated and self-motivated, educated learners, and to then process the things that we learn, whether it's in regards to First Nations issues or not, but to process the things that we see on a daily basis with a FLUTE lens. And FLUTE is an acronym, stands for forgiveness, love, understanding, tolerance and empathy. And so we're encouraging the students here to try to show 10% more of those 5 things to everyone that they encounter on a daily basis.
I learned that no matter people's backgrounds, it's always important to treat people with respect, and you shouldn't judge someone before you have learnt about them or heard their story.
There's definitely lots of things that I didn't know and wouldn't have known if Scott hadn't have come here.
We've had the students also look at their own personal character strengths to develop a healthy relationship with themselves and then indeed, with their fellow students, staff members, etc.
What they're looking at today is how human dignity comes into having a healthy relationship, whether that's online or socially. So how can they show respect to each other through social media, and how can they show respect to each other in their day-to-day interactions?